NASA releases image of star system explosion equivalent to 10 million trillion hydrogen bombs. This is an image of explosion of a white dwarf and a red giant. Let's go into the depth of this research. V745 Sco is a binary star system made up of a white dwarf and red giant star, stuck together by gravity. V745 Sco is located approximately 25,000 light-years from our planet. These two cosmic entities orbit so closely around one another that the outer layers of the red giant are pulled away by the intense gravitational force of its partner. Scientists now understand the resulting material slowly falls onto the surface of the white dwarf, and gradually enough material may accumulate on the white dwarf to trigger a colossal thermonuclear explosion. This is so powerful that it can create a startling brightening, known as a nova. Astronomers saw V745 Sco fade by a factor of 1,000 in optical light, over the course of only 9 days. In 2014, astronomers finally got their chance to witness the phenomena, via NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory. NASA developed a sophisticated 3D computer model of the explosion to help explain the observations. In the figure showing the new 3D model of the explosion, the blast wave is yellow, the mass ejected by the explosion is purple. The disk of cooler material, mainly unaffected by the blast wave effects, is blue. NASA said, an extraordinary amount of energy was released during the explosion, which is equivalent to about 10 million trillion hydrogen bombs.